Alright guys, so let me show you how I got this now. So I got that one. I still don't like the way that other one's bending over there. This one is leaning to the right too. So I don't like this at all with these smaller jack stands. That 12 ton, I don't really even like that one. Those big boys that I got there, you ain't got to worry about them doing nothing there, but I'm gonna need them for the body. So I had to sit these here. So, all right, so now this body is ready to drop. I just gotta go over, make sure everything is off, and I gotta set these up on the body and kind of go from there. And then these be, I think I'm gonna have to make one more set of boxes for the back here, and probably do that tomorrow. But I'm gonna go on and set these up with these boxes up in front real quick. Now I'll come back in and show you what I'm doing there. All right. Like I said, I got all of this set up on the frame now. Let me go down up under. I'm gonna have to build one more set of boxes to hold the body up in the back, because this frame is up really high, or the body is gonna be up really high. So I got those rear ones on the axle. All right, so then here I got this 2 humps right there for the body. So I got both of these set up on those humps, guys. And of course I got these on the boxes too. I got these on the boxes so that I made, and you can go back see another video on how I made them. I'm ready to make the structure for the frame now. I mean for the body, so when I drop the frame, I can build this structure around the body, because I'll be painting all of this, guys, the same color of the car. All right, so that's how that's all mounted up there, guys, so far. I'm gonna come in now and I gotta go and start building this frame structure. All right, so the frame structure I'm building, it's gonna mount here in the front. I haven't figured out why I'm gonna do it in the rear just yet, but it's gonna mount here on both sides where the body mounts will be. So that's what I'm coming in now. I got this cut at 61 and a quarter inches is about what I measured. I didn't have nobody here to help me measure, so I'm guesstimating, but if anything I might have to cut, you know, a ½ inch off if I'm wrong, but hopefully it'll be right on. So anyway, I'm coming in now and I'm starting to build this frame structure, guys. So I measured how much this would have to be, and it's like 4 inches. And they I don't know, I gotta ask Scotty, these ain't 4x4s no more. You know, these are like 3 1/4 or something. 3 3/4 these days. They're not 4x4s. I don't know if I thought they used to call them 4x4s. I don't know. They're not measuring out to 4 inches though, guys. So I'm putting I don't even think these are 2x4s no more either. But anyway, I'm putting these on top of here to give myself enough room. I measured across, and the body is like, I forgot how far the body is straight across, but it must be like 6, 7 feet across. It must be 6, because I figured a foot on each side or a little better. So I'll just set that down there to see. Do I need to get some 10-footers? And I'm thinking, I'm like, this is way more than a foot on this side. So 8-footers is going to be enough for this. Now, I'm going to double these up on the bottom, guys, because I don't want this rocking at all while it's sitting here and I'm building that frame. So I'm going to build it like I do my blocks here, where that's not going to move at all. And believe it or not, guys, the parts car, I was rushing. I wish I was filming that day, because I actually dropped the body on that parts car. And I wish I was filming, and I wasn't filming. It would have been nice, because, you know, I would have loved it. You know, it didn't damage nothing though, because like I said, it wasn't up that high. It wasn't up as high as this one. But if you go back and look at the other video, I explained that I think I did them something like this with just one, and actually it was holding, but something was cocked, and I tried to jack it up just enough so I could uncock the wood or something like that. The wood was sitting in the wrong spot, is what it was. So I jacked it up to try to move it, and the whole back of the body fell down. The front, it was enough wood there held in place, but it almost hit the hood. It like stopped like a half an inch from the hood, and I'm glad, because it would have just totally destroyed that hood, guys. But you know, I knew that's parts car. I'm tearing every panel off of that Wildcat hard top, and it's got to go on the convertible. So I wasn't really, no, I didn't want to damage the quarters or nothing, but trust me, I knew that I never have them up this high, that it's going to get big momentum and fall and just tear a lot of stuff up. All right, let me finish up this frame, guys. All right. All right, so coming in here now, just I want to just get all of these, get these two 4x4s, get both of them screwed in together. So, alright guys, so I'm measuring both sides. So this is 17 and 3/4, and this is 17, a little less than 3/4, but it's about right there. 17 and 3/4, 17 3/4. So I'm gonna mark this here just in case this moves. If it moves at all, I'll be able to line it back up. So right here, I got 1 3/4 inches. Then I come on this side and I hit it too much. 1 3/4 and 1 3/4. So I'm gonna mark this up here. Alright, then I want to come in and start screwing this in. Alright, so that's the front piece all put together there, guys. So I come in and figure out where I'm gonna put this back one. Then I'm gonna have to buy some more to run across the bottom. I'll probably go get some more wood. Yeah, probably sometime tomorrow. Alright, guys.